Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am going to unpack the new Acer Acer 5755 laptop. So this is the complete package. Let me unpack it. This comes with Intel Core i3 processor. Here is the laptop. I got one with a mosaic black color with a shiny backpack. And this side open. And excuse me, I'm not using this for the first time. I just packed it back just to show you how the package looks like. Okay. And let me have a close look on the keypad. This is a full keypad because I got the complete keypad. See, this is big enough and it's a full size one. But unfortunately I am missing here. The main thing is volume control keys. There is no volume control direct keys over here. It's all the function key. You have to press this function key over here and the volume up down over here. I can say it's a frustrating thing because if you are in between something, say if you're having lunch and you need to increase or decrease the volume over here, it's not possible with your one hand. You have to use both your hands to increase or decrease the volume. And mute, of course, it's another function over here. You have to click the function key and you have to mute it or unmute it from here. This is a function key for that. And you are missing some LEDs also, that is caps lock, num lock and scroll lock. There is no LEDs over here. Only LED present is a power LED over here. And you'll get all caps lock, num lock. Okay, and the configuration part, it's the sticker says everything. The model is Acer 5755 and it got Intel Core i3 2310 megahertz. I mean 2.1 gigahertz and 3 MB L3 cache. And it got a 15.6 HD LED LCD and 2 GB DDR3 memory, 500 GB hard disk, DVD Super Multi TL drive and a 6-cell lithium ion standard battery. And the interesting thing in this particular laptop is an USB 3 port, which is showed in the blue color over here. Is the USB 3 port and conventional USB 2.0 port over here. You got two 2.0 ports, one over here this side, and you have a standard HDMI port over here and a VGA out and a network port. And this also support the micro SD memory card. You can insert the memory card over here with the help of an adapter. And this is the second generation Core i3 processor with Windows 7 Basic preloaded on it. And yeah, the next question is, what about the performance? And I can say I was using this for a few months and I can say the performance is average, good. And Yeah, it's Windows 7 is preloaded over here, and the sad part is it's not including any antivirus softwares or any Windows Office softwares. It's not preloaded. You have to purchase it separately. The only preloaded items are some games, that is some basic games from Acer, and a 30 days trial of McAfee antivirus. It's nothing more, and you'll get one Microsoft starter kit. It's good for nothing. It will give you a lot of problems because it's a starter. It's just for a trial purpose. For the complete package or the complete software, you have to download it. You have to purchase it separately from Microsoft. So this is about Acer Aspire 5755. The only drawback I saw in this laptop is the key arrangement, especially the volume keys and the caps lock, num lock, and those caps lock and num lock, those indications won't work sometimes. It won't show on your screen if you press. Now itself I am pressing these caps, but it's nothing showing over here. That means you're not sure whether its caps lock is on, your num lock is on. And the screen, it's, and yeah, I forgot, it got a 1.3 mega pixel camera also. The VGA, no, it's not a VGA camera, it's a 1.3 megapixel camera over here. And the video quality is pretty, I can say. I tried with the video calls and all, so I felt like the video quality is quite pretty. And the backside, as I said, it got a glossy finish over here, so it's a scratch resistant app. It's not that much, but up to a point it's a scratch resistant back because of its glossy finish. And that's about new Acer Aspire 5755. Thank you.